Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Ponciano here, Edwin, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to set up your AERIES in Google Classroom really quick in case you need a refresher. So let me go ahead and I'm going to go here to AERIES. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and go to Gradebook and I'm going to mass add gradebooks. So I'm going to click on mass add. I'm going to click all my classes. So period 1, period 2, not period 3 because that's my prep, not period 5, that's my resource prep. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next. Then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the fall term. And then I just click create gradebooks. And then from there, you should see the 5, sorry, yours will be 5, mine will be 4, classes pop up. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to go to add, right here it's in red at the top middle, add drop students. I'm going to click on all entering students. And then here at the bottom, I'm going to click on add all students. I do that. And I wait a few seconds. And I wait a few seconds. And it should be almost done. It actually took about 30 to 40 seconds. So once that's done, it'll say process complete, close, boom, bam, beam, I'm all done. So now if you want to go in and link gradebooks, if you want to go in and categorize your gradebooks, you click on, for example, period 1, and then you would go to manage, I believe manage, and then categories and all that good stuff that you guys usually do. Okay. Now I'm going to go back here in AERIES and I'm going to go back home. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go actually and create my Google Classrooms. I already did it for one of my classes, but I want to go through it with the other ones. So here on my period 2, I'm going to click on where it says add website here. And then I'm going to click on create right here. So I click on create. And once I create, what's going to happen is AERIES is talking to Google Classroom and it should be setting up my Google Classroom. So it says it's done. Now I'm going to go to Google, my classes in Google Classroom, and I'm going to refresh this page. Oops, and there it goes. And then you're going to get something like this where it says you're invited to teach this class created by your administrator. So I'm going to click accept, and that's it. If you want to change in it, then I'm going to go where it says people to make sure it's populating my students. And yes, it is. It's slowly populating. So it'll take about a few seconds. Every time I refresh, if you notice, it adds more students. So it's populating these students. So I'm going to go back to home here. And if you want to change any of this information, so for example, here I change this. This is just like the code for the class. So I go to these 3 little dots. I click on edit. I'm going to put down here math 6th grade. I'm going to put section. This is period 2. Oops. Period 2. And math. And my classroom is 404. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to click save. And it should edit. And perfect. And here we go. And then I'm going to move this over. So, and if you guys want to change the header and all that good stuff, you guys can do that later. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys remembered how to do that. And if you don't, then here you go. Okay. Have a wonderful first day. It's going to be great. I have a really good feeling about this year. It was great to see everybody today. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.